Straight to a big CNBC TV exclusive then. BASF says that the underlying growth in India is a positive, though regulatory challenges remain a concern. Now, speaking to our very own Archana Shukla, Martin Brudermueller says there are no plans to delist and would use the cash to build on various opportunities.
The recent moves in India and the current growth rates in India and also the level of living standard that people are, it will be one of the most important future growth pillars in the world. I'm sure about that. In that respect, we will benefit on the whole portfolio, breadth of the portfolio of BASF here in India. But certainly, if we look in R&D and innovation, and this is also one of the focus areas of the new campus we have, is in life science.
Particularly on the performance materials business, which is to do with the auto space as well as the construction part. Have you seen some bit of challenges in the Indian market in the last 2 to 4 years time frame?
I think there's a lot of regulation issues where maybe sometimes India could be more straightforward and more direct and faster in terms of regulating markets also in an industry-friendly manner. And there is the general pressure on costs, certainly.
But your business in India has been quite lumpy in the recent, a few quarters.
Well, what you call lumpiness is also you see outside of India, and that has to do with the falling oil prices. Because you can imagine if you sell chemicals, they pretty much follow also the oil price. So we had also in the global performance, if you look on 2016 numbers, we had the impact of simply lower sales price. So I think what you have to look into is the volume development.
I presume there was some talk some time ago about delisting from the Indian stock exchanges. What is the discussion right now on that front?
Well, I mean, we have over the recent years, when I was here also for 10 years a responsible board member in Asia Pacific, we have stepped up our engagement in the BASF India Limited to the 73.55% I think today. But there is limits to the regulation also. I mean, there is no current need to change anything here because this is also where it goes with the current regulation. But whatever would happen in the legal frame, if that would be possible in the future, we have to think about it. What we will do then, I cannot tell you. I think we are doing fine in the moment with the setup we have.